Hello and welcome to the Suicidal Guide to Survival. I'm Caberea and, well, I guess it's isn't really the Suicidal Guide to Survival. I guess it's technically more my blog since this is just going to be going up on every... No, actually, welcome to the Suicidal Guide to Survival. This is going to be probably the most retarded thing I'll ever do, and I'm reacting to this. You can't read it because it's in reverse. This is just something random I found. It's called Galaxy Slime. It's, I don't know where I got it from. I have no idea where I found this, actually. I can't remember. I just woke up and it was near my bed. So, let's see what it is. The packaging on this thing is... There! Okay. There's no... There we go. Ugh, what the freak? What do you make of this? What do you make of this? This is Ooh! This is Galaxy Slime. What the oh god, this feels so wrong. This is so wrong. Oh god, why am I touching it? See, look at it. Can you see that? What the hell is that? It looks like guts of some... God, what the frig is this? Ew. Ew! Fuck! Why am I touching this? What is the point of... Oh god, what is this? Am I supposed to be touching it? Is this toxic? Is that a bubble? Is that... Ew! What is it? I want to know... Why is it so weird? Why do I feel... What is this? What is this thing? What is the point of it? Like, if I do this, will it... If I... Gosh, I don't think I want this to come out of the... Oh my god, it's very... Oh fuck, no! Ah! I didn't want it to come out of my hand. I didn't want that. Okay. Well, it's out of my hand. Ooh, this thing feels disgusting. This is just awful. Ugh, fake. I'll just try and put it down. This is just... Ew. What the fuck is this? What the hell is this? What is... It makes my hand feel all... Ew. What does that smell? It smells like... Oh god. Freaking get back in. Oh god, it's not getting back. But get back in there, you... I don't want you. Why did you turn up? This is why you should never open... Learn a lesson from this. Never open just things you find near your bed one day. Just let them go. Let them be as they freaking in there. Frick! It's not getting in. This is so disgusting. Can I just close it like it is now? No. No, I can't. Alright, let's try and shake it down. Shake it down. Yep. Oh, this is disgusting. Right. I think we've got it. I think this is okay. It's actually gone smaller. This somehow has decreased in size. Good. Oh gosh. Why did I do that? Okay. My hands don't feel slimy though. That's disgusting! Even the smell's gone! Seriously, the smell was awful. You can't get the smell, but personally I'm glad I have a half-blocked nose. God, that thing smelled disgusting. But how is it that, like, it's as if I never opened it. Even the thing's gone back to normal. This makes you travel in time. That. Right. I'm going back to before when I started these and telling myself to not do it. Because this is the most disgusting experience I've ever had. So I'm going back to before when I did this and telling myself not to do it, alright? See you 5 minutes before now. I don't think it worked. And now I feel twice as disgusted. It's still not going back. Okay. This was Caberea. It gets more disgusting every time, I swear. Okay. This was Caberea from the suicidal freaking guide to freaking survival, saying goodbye and good. Oh God! Look at it! It freaking came off on me. Part of it's freaking come off on me. Oh God! Rig. it's. Why did I have to open it? Why? Goodbye. Good night.